everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes, good morning, good morning. And today's reaction, the first video that I'm shooting right now, today morning, is Agam. Yes, today's reaction is going to be Agam, Swans of Saraswati from Music Mojo Kappa TV. Yes, my new favorite show, Music Mojo. This also was recommended to me by so many viewers, and because it's Kappa TV, Music Mojo, I already know it's going to be great. And the fact that it's Agam, I'm ready, my brain is ready, I'm prepared to listen to heavenly music and vocals. And the name itself is so nice, Swans of Saraswati. I don't know, there's something so blissful about this name. So yes, without further ado, let's react to Swans of Saraswati by Agam. Alright. Whoever started Music Mojo, thank you. Alright, let's start. I chose this morning time because there's so much construction going on, and this is the only time frame I feel that I can shoot peacefully. So please do not mind the intense sunlight. Alright, let's start, guys. Oh, starts like that? The lead guitarist with the long hair, he's amazing. And Harish, of course, is awesome.
బంటురీతి కోరు వియవయ్య రామా 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 బంటురీతి కోరు వియవయ్య రామా.
Wow. This lead guitarist is amazing. Seriously. Oh man.
Mani ma re ma pa pa ni sa ni da ni pa ma re sa ni pa ma re sa ni pa ma re sa ni ma pa ni sa re ma pa ni sa ni ma ma ni sa ni pa ni sa ni pa ma pa sa ni pa ma re 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 sa ni ma pa ni sa re ma pa ni sa ni ma ma ni sa ni ma ni sa ni pa ni sa ni pa ma pa sa ni pa ma re Honda Beauty Vani
I'm already clapping. Harish is just too good.
Honda Beauty Vani modalaina maada Honda Beauty Vani modalaina maada dule koti nena kila chayuni ja Honda Beauty Vani modalaina maada dule koti nena kila chayuni ja vanduriti kolu viya vaiya rama
If somebody can let me know what the meaning of the song is, I would be very grateful. Ponytail guitarist is just amazing.
रोमांचमने तेना రోమాంచమనే కనకంచుకము రోమాంచమనే కనకంచుకము రామ భక్తుడను ముద్ర పిల్లయు రామనామమనే రామనామమనే వరకట్కమి రామనామమనే వరకట్కమి రాజిల్లునయ్య త్యాగరాజునిగే రామనామమనే వరకట్కమి రాజిల్లునయ్య త్యాగరాజునిగే వందురీతి కోరు వియవయ్య రామ వందురీతి కోరు వియవయ్య
Woo! Damn! Harish's vocals always kill me, man. His vocals are amazing. The alaps, the highlight of the songs are the alaps that he takes. They're just amazing. And I forgot the lead guitarist's name actually. Wait, it'll be given in the credits. So they have. Oh, okay. They have sort of given like a description, but still it's not about the song. Okay. Oh, it's not given? The lead guitarist? I think it was there in the board song. They've given the lyrics here. No problem. In the board song reaction, I think the names were given of which instrument who was there. So yes, that in the beginning I was saying Swans of Saraswati sounds like such a blissful name, and maybe the song, I thought that maybe the song was going to be also blissful, like how Mist of Capricorn was very so blissful. Such a punch song, the song had such a, like a slap on your face. I wish, oh no, it's given, wait, it's given. I just forgot. Praveen Kumar, lead guitar. I have potato eyes. Yes, yes, I know I have potato eyes. Praveen Kumar, just amazing, amazing. I absolutely love when he plays the guitar. So yeah, so the song has so much punch, and I don't know. Of course, the lyrics are given. A little bit of description is also given, so I'm going to read that. I'm going to read that. At least I'll have an idea of what the song is about. But at this point, I know what to expect from Agam and from Harish specifically. The alaps and everything, I just know what to expect from him, because I mean, there is this huge standard that has already been set by Agam, that I know the songs are going to be great, the guitar solos, the alaps and everything. There was no drum solo this time, but the guitar solos were just absolutely beautiful, beautiful. And I am so happy. Music Mojo, like I said before, I'm so happy to, thanks to all of you only, where I finally found something like Music Mojo, where so many other singers, bands I can explore. Do let me know any female singers if I can explore in Music Mojo, because Job Korean, I've reacted to them, Thaikudam, of course. Any nice female singers also that I can explore from Kappa TV Music Mojo. Do let me know. Do let me know. I'll be very very happy to see those artists as well. And yes, guys, that was my reaction for Swans of Saraswati. So beautiful by Agam. Harish is just amazing. I mean, I'm just imagining, when they do these guitar solos and when he's taking the alas, I just imagine myself. Like, I just imagine me being there and watching this live. The experience is gonna be so different. The experience is so different when you listen to something like this live. It just fills your soul. I feel it just fills your soul. Uh, this was great. Thank you so much. The day has just started, as I've told you, and I have listened to this. This is the first video I'm shooting right now. I have subsequent videos to shoot, but this is the first one I'm watching and shooting. So it already put me in a great mood. It has already put me in such a positive and great mood. And music is something that I feel personally you should always listen to when the day starts. That's what I do. I usually shoot late in the later part of the days, my videos, but generally when I wake up and have my coffee and stuff like that, I listen to music. That's how I start my day. I fill my head with good music. I feel it puts you in such a great positive mood, and the entire vibe of your thinking changes. So this is just like what I do. So yes, that was my reaction, guys, for Swans of Saraswati by Agam. I hope you've enjoyed this reaction. I've come till the end of the video, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.